Vanakkam friends, I am Dr. Vanagamudi, founder of Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. I served the university as professor and head department of Seed Science and Technology, the dean, Agriculture, Adiparasakti Agriculture College, Kalavai, and the dean agriculture, faculty dean, for Agriculture College and Research Institute, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, and I retired from service in 2013. My hobby is to share the knowledge among the graduates, and also I wanted to guide the graduates in agriculture, not only agriculture but also the allied sciences like horticulture and other disciplines. Because of this, I published more than 40 books in various disciplines like plant breeding, the forestry, the microbiology and seed science and technology. And keeping these basic things in my mind, I started this institute in 2018 November, and actually it is located just 1.5 kilometers away from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University main campus, and especially the Botanical Garden Gate. The actual location, if you take, the institute is located at 8A 3rd Street, Gokulam Colony, PN Pudur. PN Pudur means Papanaikan Mudur, Coimbatore 640041. This is the actual location of the institute. And if you want to reach the institute as well as me, you can contact at 9894904745 and also 96293211 and 66. You can also reach me by mailing the institute using the mail trinitycbe41@gmail.com, as well as me personally vanagamudi.tnau@gmail.com. And what we offer and what the activities are going on in this institute, we have about 8 modules, and offering the coaching classes for competitive examinations, and I can list out one by one. And we do conduct, organize the coaching classes for agriculture officers, horticulture officer, assistant director of horticulture, assistant agricultural officers, assistant horticulture officer. Not only these TNPSC, we also concentrate on IBPS, the SO examination, nothing but the bank examination, and we offer the prelims as well as mains. And another significant the course is we also take up the training for the coaching classes for the +2 students for getting admission into the UG courses in agriculture, and that is All India Entrance Examination in Agriculture. Not only UG admission, we also organize the trainings or coaching classes for PG admissions. And another significant activity is we do conduct reappearance classes for BSc Agri and Horticulture students. And mostly the duration of these courses are 3.5 to 4 months. And if we start the courses, mostly the offline classes, after the notification of TNPSC, we do conduct the classes up to the examination. A week before examination, we terminate the classes. And we have 3 mode of classes. Like regular class, we do conduct from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we also conducting evening classes from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. to benefit the graduates who are working in the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. And also we conduct weekend classes, that is Saturday and Sunday, for the graduates who are employed in various organizations, and this will be more useful for them, the weekend classes. And for all the agriculture, the TNP examinations of agriculture and horticulture examinations, we do conduct offer the paper 1, that is the main agriculture or horticulture, as well as paper 2 and the general studies. Mostly the mains, the paper 1 we offer in English, and the paper 2 because the diploma students also appearing for these courses or for these examinations, we do conduct bilingually. And so far we have conducted about more than 10 batches, and I can list out one by one. And we conducted 4 batches in agriculture graduates, for agriculture graduates, for TNPSC agriculture officers, and also 4 batches for horticulture officers and assistant director of horticulture. And since November 2018, and we achieved about 50% results in the case of horticulture officers and assistant director of horticulture. Regarding the assistant agriculture officers, our success rate is 84%. And out of 4 modules for agriculture officers, we had 2 online classes, 2 online courses, as well as similar online courses, 2 online courses for horticulture officers also. And these courses are ongoing courses. And we also conducted, yes, I already told you, the all India examinations in agriculture for UG and PG admissions, and also reappearance examinations. And if you take the test modules, we have 2 types. One is offline and online. And in both the types, we do conduct slip test, about 25 to 50 questions twice in a week, and weekly test maybe on Saturday, about 100 to 150 questions. And after completion of the course, we do conduct 2 to 3 model test or mock test. And for the successful candidates who have passed the paper, the examination, we do conduct the mock interview also. And we have a very strong faculty, and mostly these faculties are permanent faculty. They are working together with me and myself, and offering in various agricultural and seed science and technology units. And another significant the faculty is Dr. Chelian. He is the senior professor in horticulture. I used to call him as a treasure of knowledge in horticulture. And my wife is also working in this institute, and we have Kohila, and she is a faculty. She is offering some courses, some classes in agriculture, horticulture, especially for assistant agriculture officers and assistant horticulture officers, as well as the general studies. Mr. Kamalesh, who offer the general studies classes, and Subha, she is a physics faculty and also the data entry operator, and Karthik Murugan, very good faculty. He is offering classes for quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. He is an expert in this subject. And we do have strong guest faculty, and I can list out one by one. Dr. Ravindran is the former director, CARDS, and also former professor of economics. Dr. Nadarajan is a horticulturist and is the former dean horticulture, Periyagulam. And Dr. Subramaniam, professor of entomology, retired professor. Dr. Rajanan, my own classmate, and he is a retired the professor of agriculture microbiology. Dr. Pragasam, my own, the guest, the good friend, and the professor of plant pathology. Gauri Sangar is a biology teacher. He is a PG teacher, offering the both botany and zoology. Karthik is a chemistry faculty, offering chemistry. And we have 3 faculties like the Delphine Mary, and she is offering the general studies, and Vinnarasi general studies, Saranya general studies. What we have, what are the study materials we published in this institute, and we published one question bank, the competitive agriculture, I can give the details in the subsequent slides. It is published at national level and it contains about 5,000 to 7,000 questions, very useful for TNPSC examinations. And besides, we have also published 2 books in 2 volumes, a handbook of agricultural sciences. This is the volume 1. It contains the importance of agriculture, crop production, natural resource management, allied agricultural activities, crop improvement and seed science. And the second volume consisting of the crop protection, the farm business management and finance management, agriculture marketing and market intelligence, and the agriculture extension principles and practices. And these are all the 2 volumes we published at national level. And these 3 books will be given to the registrants freely. That means the fee structure includes the supply of these 3 books. Regarding the content, mostly the TNPSC syllabus is kept in mind and the contents are prepared based on the syllabus. And if you take the unit 1, it covers the importance of agriculture, and I have listed out the content of the book, and also the unit 2, fundamentals of crop production. And mostly we have the text contains about abridged, condensed, instant notes, nothing but a one-liner, and it will be more useful for examination point of view. And wherever possible, we have also incorporated the flow charts as well as tables for comparison and other things. And as I told the earlier, this is the competitive agriculture book containing only the multiple choice questions, and it is published in the national level. And for horticulture officer and the assistant director of horticulture, we have prepared a multi-subject competition explorer starting from unit 1 to unit 10, covering all the syllabus of the TNPSC syllabus. And the content is similar to the agriculture officers. It's very abridged format we have given, and this is the best example of a page of the book. And we have going to publish the horticulture issues, the MCQ in horticulture, about 4,000 questions, and it is published, it will be published at national level. And also handbook of horticulture in 2 volumes covering all the TNPSC syllabus. And we have also the study material for general studies covering all the units, prepared by our own staff of the Trinity Cultural Academy. And for AAO, the assistant agriculture officer and assistant horticulture officer, we have also prepared the study materials. These are all the 2 study materials I have given, and you can go through these book materials, and if anybody is interested, you can register your requirements, and then you get the study material. And mostly the text is one-liner, and also we have incorporated some model questions in all the courses. And we have the YouTube channel, Trinity Cultural Academy. This is a free channel, not a paid channel. Anybody can access this channel, and till date we have uploaded 104 the videos covering about the agriculture. We have completed mostly 3 units of TNPSC syllabus, horticulture also 3 units, and the general studies, the Indian geography is going on, the culture and history of India is going on, and as well as Indian polity is also going on, and in particular the quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning is also on in YouTube. and you can register the institute by using a link that we have given the link already, and there if you open the link, there is a format, application format. It's a very simple format. You can fill up and submit and whatever requirement you want. And we also going to launch a website very soon, in a couple of days, that will contain everything and what we are and what the study materials we are going to supply to the students, and everything is incorporated in the website. Thank you very much for listening. If anybody is not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, and thank you for your kind support.